If your heating and cooling system is acting up, knowing the HVAC control board failure symptoms can save you a ton of hassle and cash. Alright, so here's the deal with spotting those HVAC control board failure symptoms. First off, if your unit just won't turn on or keeps shutting off randomly, that's a big red flag. Another thing you want to watch for is weird noises like buzzing or clicking. That often means the control board is struggling. Sometimes your thermostat might say one thing, but the system won't respond, which is a classic sign. If your air conditioner or heater runs but doesn't actually blow hot or cold air, that's another clue. Also, blinking or error lights on your system's panel usually point to board issues. You can try resetting the system by turning power off for a minute, but if it comes back, it's probably time for a replacement. Keep in mind that age matters too. If your HVAC system is over 10 years old, control board problems become way more common. Always call a pro to double check because messing with electrical parts can be risky. One of the top 3 common mistakes with HVAC control board failure symptoms is ignoring early warning signs like inconsistent temperatures or strange noises, which only makes the problem worse and costs more down the line. Another big one is trying to fix or replace the control board yourself without proper knowledge. This can damage other parts or cause safety issues. Lastly, some folks skip regular maintenance, so dirt and moisture buildup cause control boards to go bad faster. Keeping your system clean and serviced helps avoid this headache. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about HVAC repairs and replacements. Plus, it helps contractors find new clients, making sure everyone gets the right help when they need it the most.